Hey everyone, it's Bailey with Twiddy & Company, and welcome to Haven for 10, a 10-bedroom oceanfront home in the Whalehead community of Corolla. This home will have a private pool, theater room, elevator, and some wonderful views of the ocean. Let's go take a look. Here we are on the third floor. As you can see, some amazing views of the ocean. Plenty of deck space on the third floor, oceanfront decks. Looking over the beach. On the second floor, oceanfront deck. Views of the ocean are spectacular. Even seeing a little show put on by the local wildlife. Dolphins swimming right out front here. So as you can see, great views. Plenty of deck space over here on the second level.